everyone, welcome to my channel Bloom Skills. Today I'm at an interesting topic, how to make your online class interesting. So now in this pandemic situation, 99% we have started with our online classes. So we wonder how to grab attention of our students. It might be video module preparation or it might be a live class. So anything, whatever we teach, the students' involvement is very essential. So I'm here with 5 interesting tips for you to make your class interesting. So let's get into the video. First tip, it is always that whenever we teach, we sometimes forget to involve our students. But usually in our traditional classroom, we ask them question or they try to grab our attention. So, but those kind of possibilities are not there in the virtual classroom. So, in that case, you can call the student's name randomly, like every 5 minutes or every after you complete a concept, so that in orderly way if you call the students with no doubt they have to be attentive because they might be having in their mind that ma'am will call my name, so I have to answer ma'am. So this interest will be automatically created within the student when the teacher is calling the student and making them to involve in the class. And you can even ask them some questions, you answer like this, or you make a seminar. So all these type of activities will help you in involving your student. If it is a primary children, it is very difficult to have an online session continuously. So in that case, you can call them, you can talk about them when you find them very distracted, or when you find the whole class is not very active or very silent, and you had a doubt that you wanted to ask something to the class. You just randomly call the name of a student and ask and talk to them, so that the interaction will be created in your class. And when you find your class has been okay, they are active, that time you try to stop the interaction and you try to grab the attention of the students to continue your class. So and this is how you should switch yourself and make your student interactive. And you should also understand whether they are reacting it or not, and you have to proceed with your class. So I hope the tip 1 sounds to be interesting. Next, you can conduct various activities. For example, you can have bogle, you can ask them to play bingo, you can ask them to play tic tac toe. So all these are some of the interesting activities where you can engage the students during the class time. And when you teach a concept, you can even test them using this activity game. So activities will also help you in identifying the student understanding of the concept. Usage of interesting teaching tools. It is not every time when you continuously using a lecture method will not work in virtual class. It is always necessary that you go with different techniques when you, because the student is in other side and the teacher is in other side view. So it is always a screen in front of yourself and with your student. So it is better you try using different techniques which make your students and yourself also interesting in the class. Next one, have some warm-up activities before you begin your class. You ask them to stand, bend, and you can do some exercise. You can ask them to sing, you can ask them to laugh. So have some laughing therapy. So all these kind of activities will cheer up the student and make them also feel very active, and they will also be in a mood to listen to your class happily. So that is what ultimately as an individual everyone require. Whenever we do some work, we must be happy to adapt to the situation and that particular time to sit and watch something. So you can start with an warm up activities as per as your wish. Next one, it is an activity game. Apart from the normal activities you conduct for your classes, you can have some games. You can have role play. You can have individual talk. So all those things, brainstorming sessions. So all those things makes your class interesting. Apart from the activities, you can also conduct the activity as a game. You have various ways to kindle interest in your students. It is all in our teachers' hands to make our students to learn and make our class interesting. So I hope this video is helpful to you, and I'm also always ready to answer your comments. Please drop your comments so that I will be knowing what you think, and I will also accept your suggestions if you have anything for me to do it for the further topics. So it will definitely helpful for me to develop my channel. So thank you.